Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see one more DAX function, that is parallel period. So basically parallel period, we can compare month, year, quarter, either back or front. So if you want to compare 1 year back or 1 year front, right? So then at that time we use the parallel period. Suppose we have some player and their runs. So basically we have the 3 to 4 years, 5 years of data. So in that 5 years, like current year is 23. If you want to check with the last year 22, what is their score, right? So then we can use the parallel period. So firstly we will see the data. So here we have the data of player and date, on which date they have scored the runs, and last column is the runs. So we have the data from 19 to 22, right? So let's see the practically how we can use the parallel period. So firstly what I will do, I will just create a one table and there date and runs I will add to both the column. So I will just drag and drop date. So here I don't want hierarchy, so I'll just give the only year, and I remove the, whenever you want to remove the hierarchy, just click each day, month and quarter. So now we will get the data for year wise, and now I will add the runs column also. So it will show the each year how many runs we have. And now what I will do, just increase the size of our values. Here I mention the 18, and column header also I make as a 18. So now you can see the 19 we have the 502, 20 292, 21 337, 497. So now let's see, suppose what we want to go 1 year back or 1 year ahead, right? Then at that time we use the parallel period, or in respective month, quarter, year. Either we want to go 1 year month back, one minus one quarter, 1 year, 1 month, one quarter, right? So now whenever you want to create any measure, just click on the table, our existing table, and here I will click on the new measure, because new measure will return the scalar value. Whenever DAX return the scalar value, we need to click on the new measure. When particular DAX will return the new column, we need to click on the new column. So now I will give the our parallel period plus 1, because we are going 1 year ahead, right? So parallel period, I will give the our DAX name as a plus 1. Here whenever parallel period is a filter function, we must need to use with the calculate or any other filter function. So we can't directly use the parallel period, so we need to use with the calculate. Parallel period, same period last year, dates between dates are, right? So calculate, here we need to give the expression. So what we want the sum of runs, right? And here after that we need to give the our function, that is parallel period. Here first is the date, so we need to give the date column. So this is our date column. So we have the date, so we are giving the date. Now number of, so now next parameter is number of intervals. So how many years we want to go ahead or back? So now we want to go ahead only 1 year ahead, right? Now intervals, either we can give the month, quarter, year. So now we are checking the year, and now I will close the bracket. Now let's see the result, what parallel period will give the result. So I will just drag and drop our DAX. So now you can see in 2090 we have the 502, but we want next year. So here you can see 292. So 19 next year is 20, so it will show in the 292. Again for the 20 next year is 21, so it will show in the 377 as a total runs for the 21. Again next year is 22. So how much total runs we have? 22, 497. So you can see it's showing the 497. So after 22 we don't have any year, so that's why it's showing the blank. So now we want to go 1 year back, or let's see. Now same syntax, I just copy the whole measure and click on the new measure, and just paste it, right, and remove it and paste it, and here I will give the -1 rather than parallel period plus -1. And now, and here I need to give, whenever you want to go back, just need to give the minus, right? So we want 1 year back, either we can, like we want 1 year, 1 month back, 1 quarter back, we can give the minus, right? If you want to go 2 year back, you need to give the -2, 3 year back -3, like that. And if you want to go front, then we don't need to give anything, just need to give the number 1 2 3 4. Now I will drag and drop our parallel period -1. So now you can see 502, it will going the -1. So 20 -1 is 19. So what is the 19 runs? 502. So it's showing here. Again 292, 292, 21. So current year is 21. So -1 is 20. So it's showing the 292. Again 22. So what is -1? 21. So what is 21 runs? 377. So it's showing here. So that's all about the parallel period. If you have any question, please write down in comment, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.